In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Chrome keeps closing itself whenever you're trying to open it on your Windows 11. And if you've gone through this kind of trouble on both your PC and laptop, then this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search and we need to type here for Chrome. Now just wait so that it will load up. Then we have to right click. And once you click on this, you can see there is an option called Open File Location. You have to click on this once again. Now from here, that is going to take you to the Google Chrome. Then we have to right click. And from here, we have to go to Open File Location here. Now from here, once you get into this, we have to go over here, right click. And we have to go to Show More Options. And we have to go to the Properties. Go to Compatibility. Then put a check on run this program as an administrator. Go for Apply and go for OK. Then you have to check with it. And also parallelly, before proceeding to the next step, you have to right click and make sure that you run this as an administrator. And you have to close this and you have to check. If that is not working, we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about what you need to do is we have to get into the Chrome. And from here, you have to click on the three-dot menu. And from here, navigate to the settings. Now from here, go to the reset setting. And there is an option called Restore Settings to their original default. And you have to click on this. Now go for reset settings. So that's going to do a complete reset on a system and you have to check. Parallelly, what you need to do is even if that is not working, then we need to try this. That is all about we have to right click and from here navigate to the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is just wait so that this will be completely loading up. And from here on the left side, click on the apps. Now go to installed apps. Now you'll be having bunch of apps here. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go over here at the top and type here for Google Chrome. And what you need to do is once the search result pop up like this, we need to uninstall the Google Chrome for some reason. So this might be any other reason. So uninstalling is one of the best things. So we have to click on the three-dot menu and go for uninstall here. Just uninstall this. After the uninstall is done, we just need to re-download it back. For that, we have to go over here, type here for Edge. And you have to click on this. Now from here, what you need to do is that's going to take you to this. And over here in the Edge, you can use any kind of thing. Or you can search here for download Google Chrome. Now just go over here, get into this particular site and try downloading this and you have to check. So these are the steps and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.